Hello everyone, thank you so much for listening to me. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to know more on this content. And yeah, so what I wanted to talk about today is all my struggles that I had faced because of my ADHD issues. So, all throughout my life, I never felt at ease with myself. I have always felt that there is a disconnect within myself and there is something that is discomforting. And this feeling used to be so real that I didn't knew how to be present and how to enjoy being in present moment. That is what ADHD is all about. So we are not able to enjoy our present moment because our brain is constantly thinking something, and we feel so drained, tired and foggy all the time that every other activity becomes difficult after that. And it only adds to more and more stress. That's what was happening with me as well, that I was constantly feeling tired, foggy for almost like 41 years of my life. And my struggles intensified after ninth grade when I started going uh, to high school after 10th grade, I would say. Uh, so my ADHD has always been inattentive type, where I used to always feel like lost and not present. So I never listened to any of my classes actively after 10th standard, and I just didn't knew. And then I resorted to emotional eating and always unhealthy attachments, and I was like taking relationships as challenge and always reaching out or getting attracted towards people who are unhealthy attachments, I will say. That more of choosing people who are not right, who are aligned with me, who never understood me or never, because they were struggling into their own minds. So when we as humans we keep struggling into our own mind, we cannot give anything to anybody. It's very like simple and very apparent that how can we give to anyone when we are not able to give feel happy within our own self. Then my struggles intensified when I started working. So it started from right after waking up. I never used to feel this feeling that there was a disconnect, that I didn't wanted to do anything after getting up in the morning, and not for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It was like for hours I used to feel this, that I am disconnected. I'm not awake at this time, and only like after 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. I used to feel fully awake. And a lot of people used to see this or feel this, that she's not present, she's not really into anything. And when I started working, so work starts by 9 a.m. Everyone is just focused in the office, and I wasn't feeling that. So it it is even like getting up and getting ready for the work used to drain me. And then commute to the work was a big challenge, because I used to reach at work and I used to feel like tired, and I didn't knew from inside what this feeling is, because I was thinking that everyone else must be feeling this way, it's not just me. But it is not like it doesn't happen with everyone, it happens with uh, only with us. So yeah, I had always lived my life being inattentive. And when you are living with this inattentive mind, you will not be able to focus on anything. So you will definitely be having focus attention issues. You will never be present. You will never listen actively. Everything, listening to someone, speaking in the meetings used to drain me. There was this inner resistance towards doing anything with grace and with enthusiasm. So I never knew how people live this so enthusiastically. and how can they feel so present, and they are like, when you don't have mental health issues, you think about achievements, you think about enhancing your life, you have that planning, visualization skills, and that was all missing from my life. I never knew like what joy they are getting, so it's like all those achievements seems meaningless. So my struggles are way more than that. But I think in this video, I will just close down over here, and then I'll keep sharing my journey before and now, the transformation that I'm feeling. That is more important for me to share. So in the coming videos, I'll definitely share what I'm feeling now in my 40s. Like, I feel that I have reversed my ADHD and ASD struggles for sure. They are not happening, and I'm very confidently I can say that. So thank you so much for listening to this, and please do subscribe to my channel. It helps me immensely if you support me. So thank you.